Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here. Once you find it, you can simply tap on it to turn it on with whatever the default parameters are, or you can also hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize several different aspects of it. Now once you customize it, all you need to do to turn it on is simply toggle it on like so, and you're done. And also, if you're turning it on manually, make sure you turn it off as well, because otherwise it will be permanently on. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.